Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom chili. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of mushrooms, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 1 can of kidney beans. Next, chop your onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms into small, uniform pieces. Finally, measure out 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin, ensuring everything is ready for cooking. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they become soft and translucent. Then, add the chopped mushrooms, cooking them until they release their liquid and begin to brown. Finally, stir in the diced tomatoes, kidney beans, chili powder, and cumin, mixing everything well. With all ingredients combined, bring your chili to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes. This simmering time allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. After 30 minutes, taste the chili and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to perfect the flavor profile. Your delicious mushroom chili is now ready to serve. Ladle it hot into bowls and garnish with your favorite toppings. Popular choices include shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, please see the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.